The first 1,000 days are the most important days in a baby's life, and it sets the foundation for their whole life. With over 3,000 employees worldwide, Mead Johnson is committed to give babies and children the best start in life. In Nijmegen, over 500 enthusiastic colleagues work safely on a daily basis on our top-notch products, producing infant formula for the most vulnerable consumer groups. We see this as a privilege, nourishing the best start in life. It all begins with the careful reception of raw ingredients. Each material undergoes stringent quality checks to ensure it meets the highest safety and nutritional standards. Together with our trusted suppliers, we ensure only the best materials make it to the next stage. Once the raw materials are approved, specific formulations are prepared according to customer and product requirements. This involves blending various ingredients essential for infant growth. After the ingredients are liquefied and homogeneously mixed, the suspension is being pasteurized, a critical step which eliminates harmful bacteria. Liquid base is heated to a minimum of 75 degrees Celsius and then rapidly cooled. This ensures the product is safe, keeping its nutrients and flavor. The next step is to concentrate the liquid by evaporating some water. Then a high-pressure pump transfers the liquid to the spray dryer through a nozzle the size of 1.5 millimeters, atomizing the liquid, spraying it into the drying chamber. Inside the drying chamber, the air has a temperature of around 200 degrees Celsius, taking up most of the remaining moisture from the droplets, creating a dry powder. During transportation over the fluidized bed, the product is cooled down for storage. During the process, a series of quality checks are conducted, such as moisture and density to guarantee precision and consistency. The base powder is collected and packed into bulk bags. These bags are designed to protect the product from light, air, and moisture, ensuring its freshness and quality during transportation and storage. For some formulations, additional nutrients and ingredients are needed. These ingredients are carefully weighed in a process called premix. This step ensures the final product meets specific dietary and nutritional requirements for our consumers. Based on the specification of the product, the base powder, premix, and additional materials are being transported to the dry blending area. Big bags are hoisted to big bag unloading stations to dose the required amount of each specific material. During transportation, the powder travels past a series of magnets and sieves to ensure the highest quality of the product. After dosing the bulk components, the additional premix is being added with a super strict control on what to add to the mix. After adding the correct amounts of material, all the powders are blended to a homogeneous dry mix. After dry blending, the product is being transferred to the filling station, where it is measured and packed into consumer-sized containers. Cans are carefully inspected during its transport to the filler, where they are being filled to meet the weight the customer expects. After placing the bottom on the can, it will be fitted with a unique identification. During production, several quality checks, such as O2 checks and leak testing, are done to ensure the shelf life of our products. To finish the can, a special lid called an overcap is being placed after the can is flipped. This lid contains the correct size scoop which needs to be used to prepare a bottle of formula. A shrink band is placed over the connection between the cap and the can as a protection to prevent tampering with our products. Once the can is complete, the next series of tests begin. An X-ray machine checks all the cans on the absence of non-product materials. The barcode checker ensures the product is filled into the correct containers. Once past these checks, the case packer packs 6 cans into a box. Before the product is cleared for distribution, it undergoes a final round of rigorous quality assurance checks. This guarantees each package meets the high standards expected by parents worldwide. Once approved, the finished product is being sealed, labeled, and prepared for shipment. In the lab, samples undergo microbiological, chemical, and physical testing to ensure safety, quality, and compliance with regulations. These tests verify that the product meets the strict product specifications. All these carefully executed steps ensure that the product delivered to families is safe, nutritious, and ready to support the healthy development of children around the globe.